Hey guys, today I'll be showing you a safe way to wash your designer scarf with a washing machine. First, I'll wash my LV scarf, Louis Vuitton, and I'll put it in this washing bag from Peter Alexander. It's quite expensive, but it's worth it. Okay, I'm going to put it inside. I'm going to zip it. No. Okay, now I need to be careful not to drop it. Okay, now I think I'll do the Gucci scarf. You can see it for a bit. It looks a little lighter on camera, and we're gonna put it on the same bag. Well, same but a different bag. No. And we have our last bag, and I'll put this kind of doesn't look like a scarf. I think it is a scarf. It looks tinier. It's a Louis Vuitton scarf. There's just two in one. Now I'll put it in here. Because these both are different colors, I'll separate them, but still both in one bag. So this one, I'll quickly zip this. So as you can see, this is a separate wash bag. It isn't from Peter Alexander, but it's a good one. It's also from Daiso. So yeah, you can see here they're both separate because they're both different colors, and I don't want them to, I'll be putting one of these capsules, or whatever they're called, inside it. Plop. Okay, I'm gonna close it now. Bye-bye. Okay, now I'm going to press power and press delicate. Press delicate. Okay. You take a shower. Okay, so scarves just finished getting washed. Let's hang them the china. And let's open. Where's the zipper? So this is the Gucci scarf. It's really soaked. You can see. Okay, next. So we got the LV scarf. It looks more like, this looks more light than this. Okay, let's see the last one. So here's a black one and white. Let's see the other one. The brown one. And now let's dry it. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we will hang them to dry. Now we will do the Louis Vuitton scarf. Hang the Louis Vuitton. It's really big, so it was hard to fold. Let's make some space for the small one. Okay, so the small ones, all I need have to do is like hold it once, I think. I think I can do it like this. Yep. Okay, we're done. I'm only doing it inside the house instead of outside. It's because if it's outside, it could get like really the sun could sometimes be like, it could be really hot outside, and it could make this like really dry and, you know, crusty type of kind of like paper, and it won't be as smooth as what it's supposed to be, and it could have get like the dust could get on it, and we don't like really want dust, and there isn't that much dust like inside our house, so yeah. Oh, and we will wait until tomorrow for these to dry, so see you then. Okay, so the scarves have all been dried after being hung up, and yeah, this is how it turned out. So these both dried the quickest since they're small, and then it didn't take much time. And these both took the longest. This one took longer, I think, and this one, you know. So these both scarves have been washed. Like, this is the 4th time it has been washed with a washing machine, and these both is the 2nd time. So it's the 2nd time it's been washed. Turned it really smooth. Look at this delicate. Oh, look at this lock. What do you think about it? Bye bye. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you to wash your scarves. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.